5 Amazing Facts About Earth. Part 2. Fact No. 1. The days are getting longer. The length of Earth's day is increasing. When Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago, its day would have been roughly 6 hours long. By 620 million years ago, this had increased to 21.9 hours. Today, the average day is 24 hours long, but is increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. The reason? The Moon is slowing down Earth's rotation through the tides that it helps create. Earth's spin causes the position of its tidal ocean bulges to be pulled slightly ahead of the Moon-Earth axis, which creates a twisting force that slows down Earth's rotation. As a result, our day is getting longer, but not long enough to make a difference to your busy schedule. Fact No. 2. In the past, sea levels were very different. The most recent advance of ice on planet Earth began about 70,000 years ago, ended 11,500 years ago and reached its farthest extent 18,000 years ago. During this time, glaciers and sheets of ice carved out the basins of the Great Lakes and blocked rivers, diverting the courses of the Mississippi and other rivers in the U.S. So much water was trapped as ice that sea levels dropped by as much as 120 meters, 390 feet, exposing parts of what is now the ocean floor. Earth's sea level has also been up to 70 meters, 230 feet, higher in the past. During the last interglacial period, the sea was actually 5 to 7 meters, 16 to 23 feet, higher than it is today. Fact No. 3. Our Sun has a voracious appetite. All stars, like our Sun, age and eventually die. As the Sun exhausts its supply of hydrogen, it will collapse under gravity, ultimately ballooning into a red giant that is 100 times bigger and 2,000 times more luminous, vaporizing Earth in the process. But don't worry, it won't happen for about 5 billion years. Fact No. 4. The calm before the storm. It's not just an old wives' tale. Under the right conditions, the calm before the storm really does exist. As a storm draws in warm, moist air, its fuel, from the surrounding atmosphere, it leaves a low-pressure area behind. Air is carried up into the storm cloud, and some of it is forced upwards by powerful drafts. Fact No. 5. The Moon is not Earth's only companion. There are 2 other bodies orbiting near Earth that are sometimes referred to as moons, though they are not strictly worthy of the title. Discovered in 1986, 3753 Cruithne is an asteroid that actually orbits the Sun. Since it takes the same amount of time to orbit the Sun as Earth, it looks as if Cruithne is following our planet. Its orbit, when seen from the perspective of Earth, appears bean-shaped. Asteroid 2002 AA29 also orbits the Sun once a year, following a more bizarre horseshoe-shaped path that brings it close to Earth, within about 5.9 million kilometers or 3.7 million miles, every 95 years. Because of its proximity to us, scientists have suggested collecting samples from AA29 and bringing them back to Earth.